Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best rear bike lights on Amazon. These lights increase a bike's visibility, keeping riders safe and drivers more aware. On the flip side, off-road bikers can benefit from a quality rear bike light as well. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Wasaga Bike Tail Light. This bright rear bike light has earned an IPX5 rating for water resistance, making it an excellent choice for riding in the rain. It features 5 flashing patterns: strobe, slow strobe, meteor, Cliq, and breathing. Depending on the selected mode, riders can expect a battery life of between 8 and 56 hours, more than enough for most users. When the battery indicator light turns red, simply plug the charging cable into the USB port, then wait for the little light to turn green. The strap-mounted Wasaga T05 includes an integrated clip and a 200-degree beam angle and is available in 3 colors. This light's actual lumen output is unknown, and the plastic clip is somewhat fragile. Some users have also run into the occasional quality control issue. Number 2. Permarino Lumens Rear Bike Light. Being seen is the key to being safe on the road, and the Permarino Lumens Rear Bike Light ensures bikers are visible. This light complements its strong output of 100 lumens with 7 different light patterns: standard, low, breathing, flash, fast flash, slow flash, and strobe flash. The USB rechargeable battery runs for anywhere between 4 and 10 hours for those who tend to prefer shorter rides but are not afraid of long treks. The hybrid strap and hardpoint mounting system allow users to recharge and reorient, horizontal or vertical, the light while keeping the light in the same position every time. The affordable Permarino B1 110 lumens rear bike light features a 492-foot range and a 150-degree beam angle. The only knock against this light is its light-duty IPX4 water resistance rating, which may not be enough protection for some riders. Number 3. A Pace Vision Bike Tail Light. This rear bike light shines brightly, putting out 100 lumens to maximize visibility in virtually any environmental condition, and it grabs attention with ease with its 7 different flash patterns, including a much-appreciated daylight strobe option. With an IPX5 rating, this light withstands slashing rain and other jets of water, while the battery life ranges from 2.5 to 45 hours, depending on the selected flash pattern. This USB rechargeable unit comes with a strap mount and an impact-resistant polycarbonate housing, and the light features a 180-degree beam angle. While this rear bike light is an overall solid option, some drawbacks are its limited longevity and the minimalistic mounting band. Number 4. Night Rider 100 Combo Bike Headlight Taillight. This set includes a bright 100-lumen tail light with a blinding and 1100-lumen headlight, with both units generating multiple light patterns, including both solid and strobe flash capabilities and multiple light intensity settings. The tail light's battery life spans 4.5 to 15.5 hours, while the headlight hits the 1 hour and 18-hour marks. Each unit is rechargeable via USB and includes its own separate charging cable. Both lights are quite durable, with the Lumina 1100 Boost boasting an aluminum body with a fiberglass reinforced nylon housing. The Night Rider Lumina 1100 Boost and Solace 100 Combo also includes strap-based mounting systems for each light. While these lights are impressive, be prepared to spend more than other options. And even though it's priced at a premium, its IP64 rating is disappointing at this price point. Also, some users have run into quality control issues. Number 5. Pyro Bike Light Set. This set comes with a white front and a red rear bike running light, each putting out a solid 80 lumens of light for increased visibility, and both featuring 4 modes: high, low, fast strobe, and slow strobe. These USB rechargeable units feature a runtime between 3.5 and 10 hours, yet they work while charging. Both strap-mounted units have very lightweight, low-profile aluminum housings that are impact-resistant when dropped from heights up to 10 feet. The Vaunt Pyro bike light set comes with 2 charging cords, extra mounting straps, and a lifetime warranty. Before purchasing this light, consider its IPX4 rating, which limits its use to mist and light rain rather than heavy downpours. Also, the front light is too dim for use as a headlight after dark. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.